Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm going to write a code for a numbers conversion to words, like how we convert our integer number that is provided through the user input to its equivalent words. Now this program is set up to support the numbers with a maximum of 12 digits. It's up to you, how you modify your program or how you write your program, and you how many numbers you support in your code. So I'm here to support a maximum of 12 digits, so it will return us the word or string. Now in this code you will be able to experiment with some mathematical operators that may be new to you, like not new to you, but we don't use them mostly. So these are the module operators that return the remainder from the integer. So now I start my code, which is 1 1 once equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma this not okay 4 comma 8 comma 9. So here is okay. Now we'll close our bracket here. What we are doing here, we are just defining that the only ones digit, or we are defining only all the ones digit in this one. You can say list or tuple. Okay, it's a tuple. So we will define only ones digit that contain only one digit in this ones, and in twos we will do the same. Then let me copy this. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18, and 9, 19. Okay, so same for the tens digits, twos and tens. For tens we will say that 20, 30, 40. Now we will say that 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 100. Okay. Let me check if there is. I think it will give an error. We must check. You have to like be careful. Okay, now we are defining the suffixes. What are these suffix? This function adds the appropriate suffix like thousands, million, trillion based on the index parameter. So here we will provide some indexes when we write the code. Proper like conversion. When we will do the conversion, suffixes is equals to thousands, millions, billion. Okay. Where is it? Now we will make a method def fetch words, and we will give this function fetch words to two parameters, which is number and index. This function will take two parameters, number and the index. Now we are saying that if number is equal to 0, sorry, 0, then what we will do, return. Okay, we'll write here return this 0. We are using the first case is always the special case. We check if the number is equal to 0, it will return us the 0 string. Now what we are doing here, now we will say that like number is equals to number dot z. Now what is this z fill 3 means? It is like a you can say a method or function we can use like for zero padding. For it means that an input number is zero padded. Like zero padded means that we ensure that it always has 3 digits. We are giving three here, and we are saying that this digit or this number is zero padded to ensure that it always has the 3 digits. Now you're saying that hundreds comma is equals to int. Now we are providing the index of the numbers. Then digit is equals to int number 1. Wait. And once Okay, we are just providing the indexes, that how many numbers it will contain at index 0, 1 through like 3 zeros. So like 3 indexes we provided here. Now words is equals to, if number at 0 index is equals to, we say that number at 0 index is equals to 0, else once 100 at 1 index the number is 100 digits, will contain the 100 digit. And we are saying that, okay, now we are saying that if words is not equal to, like if words is not equal to empty, means that if the word string contains some numbers or some digits, then increment the hundreds by increment the word number by hundreds. Now words plus equals to 100, and we are saying that if tens digit is greater than 1, then what we have to do is we have to increment the tens, we have to increment the tens of the array, like this one tens, we have to increment this tens of the array and this 10 digit by -2. Like 100 contains the 3 zeros, so 10 contains the 1 zero. So we will minus zeros from hundreds digit and it will be the tens. Now plus equals to words plus equals to 10 digit minus 2, and also we will do here, okay, also words plus equals to ones ones. Now you can see till here what we did, we just defined those digit in the ones tuple which contain only one digit. So 0 to 9 only one digit. We will define all the two digits in this two tuple which contains like 10, 20, 12, 10, 11, 12 till 20, okay, 31, 32. But we are defining the 20s, 30s, like all the tens in this tens tuple, and also the suffixes which those functions that appropriate this suffix function. In like in my next video I will tell what the suffix function do. It adds the appropriate suffixes like hundreds and millions and billions. So we are defining this suffix here so that we can add the suffixes in our next function. So we are defining the fetch words function which contain two parameters, number and index, and we are defining initially defining the special case, which is the zero case, which we say that if the number is 0, return 0. Now we are defining all the three digits number at three indexes 0, 1 and 2, and we are all saying that if the words contain this number at index 0, then increment, and we are saying that if the words array is not empty, then increment all the words by 100 digits. For tens, what we will do, for tens we will say that the tens digit will always be greater than 1, and we will say that add the 10 digit minus 2 array, increment the word by 10 digit minus 2, uh, so it will increment, and for ones it will return us the one digit. In my half code I will write my half code in my next video.